In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture inside a shape in PowerPoint. This is a really useful trick when you want your slides to look more polished and professional, instead of just dropping a regular rectangular image onto the page. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to crop an image into any shape you like, and how to adjust it so it looks clean and intentional. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to place your image. It can be a blank slide or an existing layout. Just make sure you have enough space to work with. If there's already content on the slide, you might want to move it aside temporarily so it doesn't get in the way. Next, insert the picture you want to use. Go to the Insert tab at the top. Choose Picture, and then select where your image is stored, such as on your computer or in an online location. Once you've chosen the file, it will appear on your slide, usually in its original rectangular shape. Now it's time to choose the shape you want. Go back to the Insert tab and click on Shapes. You'll see a gallery of options: basic rectangles and circles, arrows, banners, stars, and more decorative shapes. Click on the shape you want, then click and drag on the slide to draw it. Don't worry too much about the exact size right now. You can always adjust it later. With the shape selected, look for the Shape Format tab that appears at the top. This tab only shows up when the shape is active. Here's the important part. You're going to fill this shape with your picture. Click on Shape Fill, then choose Picture. Select the same image you inserted earlier, or pick a new one if you prefer. PowerPoint will place the image inside the boundaries of that shape. If the picture doesn't look quite right, you can adjust how it sits inside the shape. With the shape still selected, go to Picture Format, then choose Crop, and then crop to Shape or Fill and Fit options. Use the black crop handles to move or resize the visible area of the picture until it looks balanced. You can drag the image around inside the shape to center the important part, like a face or a product. Finally, resize and position your shaped image on the slide. Drag the corner handles to scale it up or down while keeping the proportions. You can also add effects such as a border, a subtle shadow, or a soft glow from the shape format options to make it stand out. And that's all there is to it. You've placed a picture neatly inside a custom shape in PowerPoint, ready to use in your presentations.